In this video, we will discuss surface properties. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file surfaceproperties.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Surface properties allow you to change many of the settings and order of surface operations. To navigate to your surface properties, simply select your surface, and in the contextual or in Modify panel, choose Surface Properties. The Information tab is pretty simple. You can simply change the style and render material for this surface, as well as the name. Let's say we'll change it to contours and triangles just for the heck of it. Click Apply, and as you can see, it's changing it automatically. In the Definition tab, however, there are many build and data and edit operations that you can change, as well as the order and surface definitions. As we look over here, this is one of the things that makes Civil 3D surfaces much superior to other surfaces. They actually store every data entry that you've ever done to the surface. What you can also do is toggle any one of them off to see if it's something you want to get rid of. Let's say you want to get rid of this exterior boundary. Click Apply, rebuild the surface, and as you can see, we're done. If you want to completely remove a specific data operation, simply right-click on it and remove it, and it will be removed forever, so be careful with that one. What's also nice is that you can change the priority of these operations. This is very useful, especially if you're not getting the triangulation you think you should be getting. If it's triangulating incorrectly, just try changing the order around and I guarantee it'll fix it. Let's look at the build operations. You can tell Civil 3D what to do with elevations. So for instance, if I want nothing below 0, I would say, hey, put nothing below 0 in there, as well as don't allow anything above a certain value. So if you know your maximum elevation in your surface should be around, let's say 300, maybe you type in 500. And that way any bogus elevations that may have a 999 value and so on, it will not be in the surface. If we scroll down, there's also the opportunity to change the angle. So if you have very tiny slivers, you can say, hey, don't let it exceed this angle, as well as the maximum triangle length. So I can say, let's get rid of any extra triangles that have a distance greater than 150. Click Apply, Rebuild, and you'll notice how it gets rid of all those extra triangles. Now be careful with this, because if you do have a point that was surveyed, maybe that's greater than 150, and you want to keep it, it will of course get rid of it. There are additional settings and data operations as well here that you can edit. The Analysis tab is where you would do your analysis. So things like slopes, elevation banding, slope banding, etc., you define the analysis and bands in here. Lastly, the Statistics tab is a great location to see what your maximum elevation is, your minimum coordinates, the number of points, maximum triangle area. If you want to copy this out into, let's say, a text file or even AutoCAD, just simply right-click, copy to clipboard, and then paste it using Control-V. And there is our actual data from the Statistics tab.